So what is the meaning of compounding? Compounds are made of two or more bases. In some cases, these bases are separated by a hyphen, whereas in other cases, the hyphen appears to have disappeared with the passage of time. There is no rule of governing the presence or absence of the hyphen. Here are few examples of compound words. So first of all, for understanding compounding, we have to see the examples, then we try to understand the definition. So motorcycle, okay, we use two bases, okay, two words, and we make one word. So this can be separated two words, okay. So we join them by a hyphen. Hyphen means a dash, you say in your language, dash, as we can see in the name girlfriend, okay, bread piece, okay. So that doesn't matter that you are putting a hyphen or not, because many times ago we were putting hyphen, but right now it may happen that we don't put hyphen between two words, okay. Goldfish, okay. So gold has another we can say another importance of that word, and fish, that is something else. Then we compound it, so it becomes goldfish, okay. Television fan, blockhead, pot belly, paperback, okay. Motorcycle, tear gas, fire engine, okay. So these two words, there are two words forming one word. So these were the noun, okay, which forms one word. Then we see noun plus adjective. So trust is a word, noun, and worthy is adjective, okay. Then it becomes trustworthy, okay. We use this word, is he trustworthy or not, okay, trustworthy. Homesick, okay, homesickness. Duty free, sea green, brick red, okay, brick red, red કેવો કલર, તો કે brick red color, brick means eat. Beauty conscious, okay, if someone is concentrating only on her or his beauty, then we say she is beauty conscious, he is beauty conscious, okay. Beauty conscious, that becomes one word while we compound it. Adjective plus noun, okay. Pale face, first we add adjective, that is pale. Pale means something that is not in good condition, or we can say પીળાશ પડતો ચહેરો, એવી રીતના કહી શકો છો, okay. Pale face, okay. Yellow press, red light, okay. We might have listened a word, red light area, okay, red light. Then many other examples are there that through which you can go. Then compounds with verbs, adverbs, verbal nouns. Sight seeing, okay, sight seeing, adverbial verbal. Man eating, okay. So here you can see that there is noun and there is also verb, okay. Man is noun, but you are putting it, so it is verb. So man eating, okay. If any animal can eat man, then you may say that it is man eating. Okay, man eating. Heartbreaking. Okay, heart is another word, break is another word, and we put it together. Easygoing, babysitting, lip read, sightseeing, birth control, record player, brainwashing, walking stick. Okay, so these are the compounds with adjective, noun, adjective, noun, adjective, plus noun and verb and noun. Okay, so it is really very simple. Another type, we read the definition. Compounds are made of two or more bases. Okay, two or more bases. In some cases, this bases are separated by a hyphen, whereas in other cases the hyphen appears to have disappeared with the passage of time. Okay, what we have to understand, that is, compounds are made of two or more bases. Okay, it can contain two words or more words. Okay, but generally it contains two words that we have seen in examples, and it might have a hyphen or not, but they are compounding. So these were the examples. Now we see clipping. Okay, so what is the meaning of clipping and what are the types of clipping that we see? So first of all, some words are used in shortened form by subtracting one or more syllables from a word. Clipping can be classified in the following types. Okay, we again read it. Some words are used in shortened form by subtracting one or more syllables from a word. Okay, sometimes what happens, that we don't utter full word. Okay, we don't say a full word to other people, but we use a short word for that. Either we use initial part of the word or the last part of the word. Okay, just like you don't say internet, you say net. Okay, you may ask that તમારે નેટ પકડાય છે, ગુજરાતીમાં આપણે કહેતા હોઈએ છીએ, બરાબર? તો the full word is internet, but we don't use internet. Okay, maybe we are thinking it is time consuming. Okay, or we are not habituated to tell that internet, but we usually use net. Okay, so initial clipping or apheresis. Okay, so initial or for એટલે આગળનો ભાગ. Clipping subtracts the former part of the word. Okay, subtract means બાદબાકી. Okay, subtract કરવાનું છે કોને, તો કે આગળના પાર્ટને. So examples, robot, then bot only. Okay, getter we use, so it is alligator, but we use only getter. Then telephone, then we use the word phone. Okay, so we cut off the initial part of the word. Okay, then internet. Okay, so we use net only, not internet usually. Then another final clipping or apocope. Okay, final, that is last part, means back. Clipping subtracts final part of the word. Examples, advertisement, so we use ad, only ad. Okay, we don't have time to speak advertisement. Okay, so it is very much time consuming. Okay, અને ઘણા લોકોને તો બોલતા ન આવડે, તો પછી એડ વાય કેટલું બધું બીજું બોલી જાય, એની કરતાં બેટર છે કે આપણે એડ બોલી લઈએ. Okay, I am just joking. So we use ad for advertisement, so we cut off the last part. Cable for cablegram. Okay, examination, for that we use exam. Gasoline, for that gas. Gymnastics, for we use gym. Memo, memorandum, for that we use memo only. Okay, memo. Sometimes what happens when you are learning clipping, then you come to know these words are not the main words, but it has initial, it has last part, final part. Okay, so it happens. Medical clipping or syncope. There are few words which subtract middle part. Okay, mathematics, specs, spectacles. Okay, ma'am, madam, fantasy, fancy. Okay, so what we have read here, that medial means વચ્ચેનો પાર્ટ તમે કાપી નાખો છો, but you put first part and last part, just like in maths. Okay, the main word is mathematics for maths. Okay, then what we do, we cut off matic and we take math, math, and we take the last letter, that is s, then it becomes maths. Okay, so it is medial clipping. Okay, specs, so in the full word is spectacles. Okay, so we take spec and then from s from back, that becomes specs. Fancy, so we take fan and then c from behind, from back, fancy, it becomes fancy from fantasy. Then ma'am, okay, that is taken from madam. Okay, complex clipping. Clipped forms can also be used in compounds. One part of the original compound most often remains unbroken. Example, op art, optical art. Okay, org man, organization man. Okay, here we are taking from two words. Okay, so organization man means org man. Okay, sometimes both halves of a compound are clipped, as in naviset. Okay, navigation certificate, for that we use naviset. So we cut off from both of the spelling. Okay, navigation certificate, for that we cut off from both of the spelling, some letters, some syllable. Okay, in such cases it is difficult to know whether this word formation should be treated as a clipping or as a blending. Okay, sometimes we are confused that we can say it clipping or blending. Okay, blending, that we are going to understand next. For the border between these two is not clear. Okay, sometimes what happens that something can be put in one compartment and also can be put in another compartment. Okay, because it touches meaning of this both compartment. Okay, so it is confusing sometimes. So you have learned compounding, so and then clipping. These are so easy. Then we are understanding blending. Okay, so what is blending? Okay, so there is a trend of mixing two words and making one word. Okay, કે તમે બે વર્ડ લ્યો પછી એના જે અમુક ઇનિશિયલ્સ છે એને લઈને એક નવો વર્ડ બનાવો. ઓકે, સો દેટ ઇઝ breakfast and lunch. From that you make brunch. Okay, motorist and hotel. From that you make motel. Okay, then smoke and fog. From that smog. Okay, television and broadcast. From that we use telecast. Okay, we have taken tele from television, and then we have taken cast from broadcast, okay, telecast. So this is called blending. Two words which have separately different meaning get combined and make a new word, okay. So it is the process of making a new word from two different words, okay. So that is called blending. Blend કરીએ છીએ આપણે. Borrowing. Okay, borrowing means you know that we had barter system, okay, કે એકની બદલે તમે બીજું આપો છો કોકને, બરાબર. પૈસા દો છો તો કોક તમને ખાવાનું આપે છે, મને આપે છે, બધાને આપે છે, બરાબર. તો એવી રીતના આપણે કોઈની પાસેથી કંઈક દઈને લઈએ છીએ. બટ અહીંયા શેની વાત છે? તો કે બોરોઈંગ. બોરોઈંગ મીન્સ યુ આર ટેકિંગ સમથિંગ ફ્રોમ સમવન એલ્સ, ઓકે. બોરો કરો છો તમે. સો વેન વી ટોક અબાઉટ ઇંગ્લિશ લેંગ્વેજ ઓર એની લેંગ્વેજ, વી હેવ borrowed many words from many language, okay. So English is not an independent language as we think, but it has borrowed words from Latin, Greek and many other places. Generally English or any other language borrows words from other languages with which it comes into contact, okay. Language જેની સાથે કોન્ટેક્ટમાં આવે, બરાબર, તો ત્યાંથી વર્ડ્સ બોરો કરે, okay. Through borrowing words it enriches its store of words, બરાબર. So it is very understandable, બરાબર, understand કરી શકાય એવું, sorry. So we can understand it easily that when we are taking something from someone, then we surely enriching our treasure, our store of words, okay. So bazaar, that is Persian word, not English word, but in English we also use bazaar. Dam, okay, so that is French. Guru, okay, that is from Hindi. Sheikh, that is from Arabic. Tycoon, okay, business tycoon, so that is from Japanese, okay. So these are the words, and there are many words that we have borrowed, okay. When you are studying geography, so the root of the word geography, geograph, okay, that is taken from another language, okay. Creative respelling. Creative respelling is also a kind of word formation where words are formed by simply changing the spelling of a word that the speaker wants to relate to the new word. Especially product names often involve creative respelling, such as Dr. Clean, okay. So what happens in creative respelling? Sometimes you know that this word means this, okay, આ વર્ડનો આ મિનિંગ થાય, બટ તમે એનો સ્પેલિંગ ચેન્જ કરી નાખો અને તમે એવી રીતના પ્રેઝન્ટ કરો કે સામેવાળાને અટ્રેક્ટ કરે કે આમાં CLEAN આવતું હોય, then you are not attracted, but here it is written KLEEN, okay, on a product, okay, which can clean all the things, then you are attracted. That here it is written clean, okay, KLEEN, clean, okay. So that is creative respelling, okay, creative respelling. In old English there were many words that we could not even read or understand, then it became modern, then it changed, okay. Then we are in contact with modern words, so we can understand, okay. Then what is after modern words? So, okay, if some spelling is giving a meaning like a particular meaning, but we are changing the spelling, but it does not change the pronunciation, okay, then we are creating another spelling, okay. Coining. Coining Coining is also known as invention. Coining means you are inventing something new. Okay, it is the process of word formation where the new words are coined or invented from existing material to present a new invention or development, such as wireless, hypermarket, X-ray. Okay, X-ray. Two word, there are two words. ઓકે, તો બે વર્ડને ભેગા કરીને તમે કંઈક નવો વર્ડ જ કોઈન કરો છો. પહેલાં એવું કાંઈ હતું જ નહીં કે એક્સરે જેવું કાંઈ હતું નહીં, તો આપણે એક્સરે વર્ડ યુઝ જ નહોતા કરતા. પણ જ્યારથી એક્સરે આવ્યું, દેન વી હેવ ટુ થિંક અબાઉટ નેમિંગ દેટ થિંગ. બરાબર, એ વસ્તુને આપણે નામ તો આપવું પડે ને. તો આપણે શું કર્યું, આમાં એક્સ છે, ઓકે, દેટ ઇઝ કનેક્ટેડ, એમાંથી રે પસાર થાય છે, ઓકે, દેન વી કોલ ઇટ એક્સરે. Okay, science teacher can better make you understand X-ray. Wireless, okay, so in past we did not have wireless system, okay, then it came, then we have to name it, then wireless. Okay, so this is coining. Okay, Shakespeare that you don't study, but Bachelor of Arts students study. So Shakespeare has coined many new words. Now right now Shashi Tharoor is coining many new words. બરાબર, શશી થરૂરને કોઈક વાર ટ્વિટર ઉપર વાંચશો, so he is coining many words right now. Standard abbreviation. So you know what is abbreviation. Abbreviation is a shortened form of a word shortened form of a written word or phrase used in place of the whole word or phrase. Okay, what happens કે તમારે લખવાનું હોય or you are speaking, then you don't use the full word, okay, but you use the abbreviated version, okay, abridged version. So you use AMT for amount. USA, United States of America. Okay, so you are not writing or speaking United States of America, but you say USA, you write USA. Okay, for square you write SQ, full point. For very important person we use VIP. PTO for please turn over. PKG for packages, okay, or package. PS for post scriptum. Then MG for milligrams, G for gram, BA for Bachelor of Arts, BSc for Bachelor of Science, PhD, okay, for Doctor of Philosophy. So CC for carbon copy. Okay, so these are the terms also used in computers. BCC, blind carbon copy. FAQ, frequently asked questions. Okay, DOB, તમારી DOB લખો, તમને એમ કોઈ કહેતો, so that is date of birth. CEO, that means Chief Executive Officer. So like that there are many abbreviations, standard abbreviation. Okay, so thank you. So in this lecture we have studied compounding, in that noun plus noun, noun plus adjective, adjective plus noun, then verb plus noun, noun plus verb. Clipping, in that we have studied 4 types. Okay, first is initial clipping. Okay, clipping means તમે વસ્તુ કાઢી નાખો છો. Final clipping, medial clipping, then complex clipping. Okay, so it is very easy. Blending, okay, mixing two words, okay, mixture of two words in one word. Borrowing, okay, taking from someone from another language. Creative respelling, okay, so you creatively respell the spelling. Okay, so clean, for that you use clean, KLEEN. Okay, coining, okay, so you are coining a new word. Okay, નવો જ વર્ડ આપો છો, because એવી કાંઈ વસ્તુનું પહેલાં એક્ઝિસ્ટન્સ નહોતું, પણ હવે એક્ઝિસ્ટન્સ થયું, તો you have to name it, so you are giving a new word. Standard abbreviation, that you know. okay, because you are using that. For that you have to read abbreviations from net or books. Okay, so I hope you could gain something from this lecture.